In this video, we're going to use the simple mode, different than the CFG mode. CFG mode uses these. The simple mode doesn't care about any of this stuff. And I happen to know that register 12 is a CDAB and it returns temperature degrees C. So I'm going to go look at register 12. I may not know it's a CDAB. So we're going to do simple. You're watching the simple video. You must have this to simple. Click next. Now this screen will disappear. ModBus simple, we're going to look at that register 12. And register 12 is not a U16. We know it's an IEEE 754. Oh, I got to click read. So register 12. Not an ABCD, but look at this. Here we discover it's a CDAB. So I go down here, CDAB. Read register 12, there's register 12. So that's the utility of ModBus Simple, different than the one with config. We do have the ability to read a register 12 CDAB, and so I'm going to right click clear chart, and the chart builds from the, so as I heat it up, the temperature is building from the left. So that's how, that's the utility of this program. Shows the 4 different variations, arrangements of the bytes that make up 32 bits, if you will. And the config is, we're not reading a config file, we're just doing what we're doing. And in this particular thing, we could, if this was a writable variable, write this thing into version 12. So into register 12. So you'd have to select the proper type, which you learned from here. Read this 12 is a IEEE 754 CDAB, different than ABCD. So, and that's it. So that's the ModBus Simple Pro improvement. Thanks a million.